Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Canva's new features. To begin, open your Canva account and navigate to the Design Editor. New tools often appear in the left-hand sidebar, so keep an eye out for fresh icons. You can also explore the Apps section, which frequently showcases recent additions. Don't forget to check the What's New area, usually found in your account settings, for a comprehensive overview of updates. This ensures you're always leveraging the latest creative possibilities. Within the Canva editor, discovering new tools is straightforward. Pay attention to the left-hand menu for any new icons or categories that might have appeared. Hovering your mouse over existing elements can also reveal new functionalities through helpful tooltips. If you're looking for something specific, utilize the search bar directly within the editor. Additionally, trying out various design types, like presentations versus social media posts, can sometimes unveil features unique to those formats. To stay consistently informed about Canva's latest features, there are several proactive steps you can take. Subscribing to Canva's official newsletter is an excellent way to receive direct announcements in your inbox. Following Canva on popular social media platforms will also keep you in the loop with real-time updates. For more in-depth information, regularly visit the Canva blog, which often provides detailed breakdowns of new tools. Engaging with the Canva community forum can also offer insights from other users. Once you've found new features, maximizing their potential is key. Begin by incorporating them into a simple project to get a feel for how they work without the pressure of a complex design. Canva provides excellent official tutorials that can guide you through the nuances of each new tool. Consistent practice is crucial for becoming proficient and integrating these updates seamlessly into your workflow. Finally, consider providing feedback to Canva. Your input helps them refine and improve features for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.